Today's video is in partnership with airspotters.com, one of the leading websites for aircraft model collectors, whether it's aircraft models or aviation toys, stocking everything from Gemini Jets, MG models, Skymarks, Aero Classics and more. Check them out, the link is in the description below. Hello and welcome to another model review here on my channel. Today's offering is this. It's the beautiful British Airways Concorde in 1/400 scale from Gemini Jets, which came from airspotters.com. Once again, I'll leave a link to their website in the description below. Before we get into the review, I want to thank everyone for the support of my podcast, The Departure Lounge. It's been a lot of fun so far and we're already 5 episodes in, with episode 6 due to be live tomorrow, Sunday the 2nd of May, so please check it out if you haven't already. Along with this review, myself and airspotters.com have put together a discount code for you should you wish to purchase this model after the review. Use BA10 at the checkout for a wonderful 10% off this amazing model, and I'll leave a link to the model in the description below as well. So let's get into it. Golf, Bravo, Oscar, Alpha, Bravo is the aircraft we are looking at today. She was delivered new to BA back in September of 1976 and served with the airline until August 2000, where the fleet of Concordes were grounded due to the crash in Paris of an Air France Concorde. Upon the granting of Concordes being able to fly again, Bravo Oscar Alpha Bravo never did. Thus, her last flight was on August 18th of 2000 on a positioning flight back from JFK as BA002. The model's packaging shows that, as expected with Gemini Jets, the box is simple but also again very nice to look at. As normal, the Gemini Jets logo is in the top left of the box, the airline logo in scale in the bottom right, the aircraft type just above, and as ever an image of the plane that lays inside in the centre of the box. On each side we have the logo of Gemini Jets, the aircraft type and another image depicting the aircraft, as well as the scale and item number. And, once again, a warning that the model is not suitable for children under 14 years of age is included on the top of the box. On the back we have another image of the plane, this time in a climbing position, with a description of what Gemini Jets are all about, as well as links to all of their social pages. Again, the preview flap is present so you can see what's inside before you purchase it. On the inside of the flap you have the details about the aircraft, including the history, the dimensions and info about how Concorde came to be. Let's look at the packaging, and once again it's as simple as you get with Gemini Jets, with a dark blue mould that is the same colour as the box, which the model sits in, and a clear mould that goes on top of it for added protection. If we remove the packaging and take her out of it, you can see Concorde in all of its glory, and what an absolutely stunning model it is. She is absolutely gorgeous, and a fine model to represent the supersonic history and a reminder of times gone by. With a length of 15.5 centimeters and a wingspan of 6.4 centimeters, she's not small, that's for sure, but definitely one for the Concorde fans and lovers out there who are looking to add this piece of aviation history to their collection. Let's take an in-depth look at her. Well, that's it from me. What are your thoughts on this model? Let me know in the comments below, and also let me know of any models you want me to review in the future. Remember to use the discount code BA10 if you wish to purchase this model by clicking on the link in the description below. Also, don't forget to check out episode 6 of the Departure Lounge tomorrow night, Sunday the 2nd of May, live on my YouTube channel, and follow me on my socials to keep up to date with me and my plans. But for now, look after yourselves, continue to stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Today's video is in partnership with airspotters.com, one of the leading websites for aircraft model collectors, whether it's aircraft models or aviation toys, stocking everything from Gemini Jets, NG models, Skymarks, Aero Classics and more. Check them out, the link is in the description below.